friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today topic is how to install the Tomcat server in Linux. Guys, totally integrate with your Jenkins and deploy the WAR file throughout using in Jenkins. Today I will discuss about these topics. I have already explained in Tomcat in local how to install the local missions, how to install the your project in local, how to run the command prompt, also how to start the in local mission in Tomcat server. These are all topics are already discussed about, guys. See, total 6 or 7 topics also have already discussed. What is Tomcat? Using the plugins also. What are the required plugins? And what is source code? What is pom.xmls? What is WAR files and Bitbuckets? How to integrate with Jenkins in Bitbucket to Jenkins? How to integrate with Bitbucket to Jenkins and throughout the Jenkins using and deploy the WAR file also Tomcat server. These are all already I have done with my YouTube channel. See, this is a pom.xml. How to change the once install the Tomcat, after changes you have need to user.xmls and settings.xml and server.xmls. These are all I have already done, guys. Today topics is how to install Tomcat in Linux servers, how to run the Tomcat server, how to integrate with Jenkins in your Tomcat server, deploy the WAR file throughout using in Jenkins. This is a I will discuss about today. First of all, once you understand this topic also, first of all you need to all are these topics also you can watch it. First of all, this video I have the links also into working also in 2 videos I will done in my YouTube channels. In local machine I have installed how to install what are the required plugins, also how to store the how to modify the pom.xml, how to integrate with your Bitbucket to Jenkins servers. I have all of you done all my before videos. Please go through these 2 links also. First this link also how to install, these topics also covered in this video, and another video how to integrate with your Jenkins throughout the Jenkins, how to deploy the WAR file also. This video also I have already done it. Please go through 2 videos also. First of all watch it and then it comes. I have once again I have briefly explained it, don't worry, please observe it carefully. What is what I will tell the only simple method also. Okay, first of all, what is Tomcat? Tomcat is a open source web server product. See, what is a Tomcat? Apache Tomcat is a open source implementation of the Java servlet. It is a work on throughout Java. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Okay, next is I'll discuss is what is Tomcat. Okay, what is Tomcat is open source web server product and use of Apache based foundation, like used to deploying the Java servlet on JSP applications. To deploy the applications in using, simply create and WAR files using in Tomcat. That is a observation of Tomcat. keep growth through these documents also. I will share it already in my YouTube channel also. And this is a required plugin is Unleash. Install the Maven also using Unleash Maven plugin, and Tomcat deployer plugin used to deploy to container plugin. These two plugins are mostly important using in throughout the deploying the WAR file also. Then next is structure of the Tomcat. I do this already in Bitbucket to integrate with your Jenkins server in daily basis. What is the developer in daily basis also? That is using in structure of your of our my documentation also. Okay, next observing structuring also. After once you can installed Tomcat also, throughout the bin folder, conf folder, and server.xml, user.xml, libraries, logs, web apps, these are all folders also I will discuss about already. What is the bin folder, what is the conf folder, what is the use of server.xml, what is the use of user.xml, all is completed. I have already done it with observations also, and what is what I tell this already. And then var file, how to create the var file also, source code pom.xml. This is a first you can install the project Tomcat project also, install the source code and pom.xml is done is okay. Then Bitbucket URL and integrate with Jenkins and throughout the using in Maven and using the Tomcat servers deploy to container plugin and configure the Tomcat servers port number also, IP also. You can throughout this. And Jenkins localhost I will using in local servers also. Today also I will try to explain it in throughout the servers. You can copy the IP address and throughout the servers you can how to integrate with. I will explain it today. Then next is this is a pom.xml. Under pom.xml, group ID, artifact ID, inversions, packages. After properties and dependencies, these are plugins installed in build. You can how to build the var and jar file. Then install the Maven plugin also. This is a most of thing. This add the users and roles and password also. The access in my Tomcat server Tulsi and Tulsi.321, these two password also you can access this. And next is user.xml. What is the roles of Tomcat users of XMLs? Where the add of roles, and by default port is 8080 in using Tomcat. Jenkins also can use in 8080 by Tomcat port also 8080, but how to modification using go to the server.xml under server.xml connector port, using the connector port section under port section using 8080 you can modify this 9999 also. My case, your case, your wishes, any your wish, any number I will give given. We say settings.xml under .m2 folder using the settings.xml also. Sorry, Maven conf folder also you can store in setting.xml. This is a Tomcat server accessing. Then once you can add the servers, Tomcat servers and username password also. You can copy the only settings.xml or copy the total folder of .m2 folder. Okay, guys, go through today topics. How to install the first of all Linux servers. Yesterday, how to launch the my EC2 instant I have already done. Then go to my AWS console. Then open my AWS. This is a Tomcat. I'll install in and launch the instance also. Okay, I'll configure this. First of all, start the my server. It's started. Okay, once running is successfully, then copy the IP address. Mm, okay, go to the my file also. Open, run the git bash. Connecting to my server to local also. Yes, and successfully connecting my server also. Check the first of all ls-ltf, nothing to else. Clear the my terminal. Mm, First of all, create the one folder mkdir tomcat and go also. Uh, how to install in Windows Server also. I given the one URL already. See this URL also. Tomcat Apache download dot copy this URL. Um, Open and paste it here. Then see target jet target gjet. This will be copy this URL and copy it and go to wget. Installed. Check it once. See, Apache Tomcat is installed and using and unzip. Then tar unzip. What is the unzip command? Is tar.xyzf using Apache Tomcat also. Once can done, once check it. And see, is a unzip and Apache Tomcat 8.5 installed. Then next is go to the Apache, then check it. See, this is a bin folder, log folder, web apps, works, libraries, con folder. Observe this carefully. These are all is done in con folder, use.xm, under con folder, servers, user, libraries, logs. This is done. And first of all, go to this con folder. Server.xml, change the port also using this, and Tomcat user.xml also. I will show it. What is server.xml? What is user.xml? See, or in case any required, change the port also. Using connector force, you can change it the 9999 automation. Any number you can give in here. Can definitely you can change it the port also. Once you can any required change here and escape and WQ. Then save it. Next another one is vi tomcat user.xmls. See, in this case also add the users and roles. Go through my document. Totally copy this one and paste it here. Once it is done and escape, save using the wget command. And then next what is go to the Apache Tomcat web apps and managers. That is the one one step back also go to this and see, check the ls cd web apps managers meta info. Then once you can check, sorry, see, one file is contact.xml. Open this file. Second line, see, under contacts.xml, under context section also, second line also is untracked. You can then not accessing any port IP address also. This IP address is not required. Once you can done, then insert mode, exclamation mark, and -1, then hyphen, it's done. Once you can save it, then what next, how to start the Tomcat server. First of all, you accessing in security group, then go to my AWS console and accessing your inbound rules or outbound rules also. Inbound rules are using inbound incoming traffics. You can add the security groups and edit the inbound rules and add the rules also. TCP/IP. My Tomcat port is 8080. You can access anywhere. Then save the rules. Once it is done, go to my instance and go to my terminal, and then where am I? Go to my bin folder. You remember guys? Where the start in Tomcat server? Go to the bin folder. Under bin folder, just check it. See, Windows also you can startup.bat command using that will be running the server. Here also startup.sh. Using startup.sh. Oh, must and should you install in Java. Okay, then install in version should in Java. Then sudo apt get install install jdk -8 -jdk. Unable to locate jdk. Sorry, command is open jdk. Sorry. Yes. See, observing installed in Java 8. And don't explain it all things, guys. I have already explained it. That case will be I don't explain it now. Please observe, go through and that videos. You can clearly and clarification also you can done this. Once check it Java version. See 1.8 version is successfully installed and go to the Tomcat and go to the bin folder. Once use this sh total.sh, then Tomcat is running is successfully. Once accessing this, you are given the IP address, copy the IP. Then next is copy the IP address and accessing this and paste it here, and port number is 8080. Yes, successfully running in my Tomcat server. Okay guys, next is open my Tomcat server. It's open successfully in my Tomcat server. Yes, it's done. See here, there is nothing to verify also. How to run and deploy, how to integrate with your Jenkins also, I will explain it tomorrow. Today also I will take a most time also. That's a problem. Already half an hour will be done. Okay, then definitely I will explain it tomorrow also. These two case, these two cases. Okay guys, please like and share and subscribe. Go through first of all, watch it all videos also. Can under any don't understanding, please write in your comment section. I will share the documentation also. Okay guys, bye, thank you.